Hello, good day guys. Welcome to Trendy channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to design this beautiful flyer that you're seeing on this screen. It's a Koinonia design actually. Then I'll also drop the link that will enable you to download all the material that we are using in this design. Then secondly, I noticed that a lot of persons actually, you guys are watching my video. Congratulations, and I really appreciate you for that. But at the same time, you guys are not watching the full video, especially the beginners, and most times you guys feel as if, okay, I know how he did this one, I know how this one was done, I can do this one. And you see a lot of you struggling with little things. So that minute that you will spend in watching a video that will improve you will really go a long way for you. So don't just come and watch this video to the end, share, comment, ensure you comment. If this channel have blessed you in a positive way, comment so that YouTube can recommend this video to the general masses. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so let me just leave the original design there. So this is the background already. Let me hide the design. This is the background, so let me just leave the design there now. So this is what we'll do. So first of all, let me bring in their logo. That's the Koinonia logo. So let me just change the color to black. You'll pardon my logo. It's not 100% smooth, but we can achieve something with it. So just want to place my logo here, then centralize it first. Then secondly, let me bring in my theme. Like you know the way we normally do on this design. But I will just bring out the important things. So this is my theme. Is it it? No. That's not it. That's not the right one rather. So let me just bring the original one. So this is my original theme. So let me just drag it. So after this theme, I'll take off the design, then I'll start working on it by myself. Okay, let me take off this design. Okay, so this is the theme. Now when you see a theme like this now, this theme is not yet balanced. So if you leave it like this now, it will not make any sense at all. So now the question is, what did this guy, what did they do here that make this theme to balance? Now you go back to your shadow, enable your shadow. After you've enabled your shadow, increase the blur radius, increase it to like 20. Then take it down a little bit, let it reflect at the bottom part. Then you can take this side. Okay, leave that side like that. Then you can come here again, you can reduce it again. Sorry, increase it the blur radius to 25. Then take it down like this. Then you drop it here. Are you seeing that we've gotten that depth and that look? So like I said, if this channel have blessed you, ensure you comment and share this video. So now let's bring in our flag, our Koinonia flag. So this is our Koinonia flag. So just look for a way and place it. But now we'll place it behind the theme. So just do it like this. Bring it at the back of our theme. Are you seeing? So increase the size so that the flag will come out as the way we need it. So guys, I know also a lot of you be wondering, okay, how will I be able to do this and how will I be able to advance? So I have a course currently for advanced and also for beginners when it comes to graphic design. So that cycle where they put his name, that's a gradient of black and gray. Are you seeing? So I have a course currently that will help you to advance your graphic design skill as a beginner, intermediate, and the rest. The course is available. All you need to do is to come get the course, make your payments. For now, the cost is 10K, but the first 5 person that DM me will get it for 7,000. So just slide in my DM and just tell me the reason why you're there, and from there we can work together. So now let me bring in Apostle's pictures. So let's drop the picture here. Let me bring the original design again so that we can place the picture exactly how they placed theirs. So let me just bring it here. So let's see. Let me increase it again. Okay. Now let me lock it. I know it will not balance. Okay. We've gotten the balance like this. Now if you observe, their picture is in black and white. So all we need to do is to come here, change our saturation to black and white. Are you seeing? Then increase our contrast a little bit. Then now we'll go to, I want to create a shadow, a drop. So all you need to do is to click on status, click anywhere on your screen, then you click on your the first thing that will come out, then turn it to black. Now reduce the size. Okay, this one will not work because it's too tiny. So all we need to do is to tap on our draw, increase our pencil size, smoothing, blur radius, and tap. Then at this point we'll use our hand to fold it like this, draw it like this. Then we'll bring it beneath the picture. Are you seeing? Then we'll duplicate it again. That's copy. This duplicate nice for this one. Now we can decide to reduce the opacity a little bit by 70. Also reduce this one a little bit by 70. Are you seeing? So let's just see what the last thing that we've not worked on. Okay. So now we need to bring in our lights. That's the light that you're seeing over there. This is the light. We need to bring in the light. So if a Koinonia member, please also indicate, Apostle normally says something during his preaching. He hears something like, this is Koinonia. And if you've been following Apostle Joshua Selman, know this why, you can as well drop one of his favorite quotes or one of the things that he normally says often and the rest, just to indicate that, okay, I'm a big fan of Koinonia, though Apostle normally tell us that there's nothing like fun in his church, that everybody are family. So that's the mentality that he has actually. So now let's put in our date, address, and all of that. Okay, so the bulb, okay, this other bulb now needs to go above the flag. Sorry, this first one, where is it? This one needs to go above the flag like this. Are you seeing? So let me just quickly enter that shape. So like I said, okay, for me, if I think one of the things that apostles normally say often is, this is not corny divine fables. So you can add yours and just comment it in the comment section. So you can drop it at the center like this. Then there you put your date, you put your address. So let's use this as our dates as usual. Then let me show you how to place address perfectly. Okay, because let me assume this is, in address we have name of church and we have a landmark. So let me just assume this is a landmark. Sorry, this is the name of the church. Now if you observe in this Koinonia design now, if you observe now, you see something like Koinonia Abuja. It's very bold. Then at the down part, you see Chinda Event Center, Otaku, Abuja. So now when you're adding yours also, ensure you also follow that procedure whereby the name of the church will be very broad. So let me just assume this is the name of the church. Let me show you something, just a little example of what I'm saying. So now let's break down that text. Let me break it down like this. Then outline. Let me outline it like this. If you watch this video to this end, please just indicate that okay, Sir Trendy will thank you. Your channel has been a blessing to me. So let me change the color to white so that you see what I'm saying actually. Now let me bring this up. Now let's just assume this is the name of the church. Then you drop it here. Now this is the address. You're about writing the address now. You drop it here. Now all you need to do now is the next words that will follow. The next words that will follow after now. There's no address that can be long like this except they want to use it for description or direction. I did a design recently and they sent me address. They also sent me direction. So some cases like that are real. So let me now if you observe, I use Satoshi bold. So at this moment now I'm going to use Satoshi medium to arrange the B parts of this design. I seen. Then all I need to do is to come to my scaling now to scale it properly. Then I also reduce the size of the design. Like I told you that if you're not in my WhatsApp group and if you not join my WhatsApp group, that means you're making a huge mistake, because over there we learn a lot and over there we correct each other and help each other to grow. So if you've not done that, then you're making a huge mistake like this. So let me also enter the dates of the church. Okay, let's just use 19th. Okay, that was 19th actually. 19th October 2025. 19th October 2025. So let's do it like this. Then let's copy it again. Then we impute our time, which is 5 p.m. So are you seeing now? For this time now, we choose a B-Bars font. We choose a B-Bars font. Choose a B-Bars font for this time. Are you seeing? Then we can centralize it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've literally picked all the items at the bottom parts. Then we centralize it like this. So indeed, this is Koinonia. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial. I'll be dropping link that will enable you to download all the material that was used in this video.